Good morning, everyone. This is the Artiste 67 coming to you from my studio, AV Art Studio, with a brand new creative idea. I made this baby Brad book with Dollar Tree items. And this is the front cover. And I'm going to flip through a few of the pages. There's a little note of congratulations from me to the parents. And there's a few of these little things that the parents can put photos, attach photos to. And they can also put some descriptions on the back side of each page. And that is the last page of the book. And inside the slot of the plastic photo frame, the parents can slide the photo image out, and they can attach they can write their child's name and date of birth on it. And I am going to flip the photographic base on the back side, and it showcases my logo and my social media and blog info in case you would like to get in touch. I am the Artiste 67, so if you want to check me out on Pinterest, you can do that as well, or you can go to my blog, which is www.myavartstudio.blogspot.com, and check out my other infos or my other art that's on there as well. I had a blast making this little book. It took me about 2 weeks to figure out how to put it together. And I had a lot of fun making this item, and I hope that the parents-to-be enjoy the gift that I made. I will talk to you all later. Ciao for now. Happy creating, and God bless.